மதுரகின்னரசே எம் மதுரகின்னரசே.
Nature is useless if life is not there. Life cannot be there if nature is not maintained. This verse has to be understood in two levels. This is one layer of meaning you need to understand. Each experience you feel is a divine energy. When you don't do action, the divine energy naturally starts fading away. You are just a thief. Every divine quality you experience is divine energy. Understand this subtle level meaning. Each divine experience or the joy you feel, the ananda you feel, is a divine energy. If you are not doing any action to give your respect back to that energy, you are stealing. Naturally, when you are stealing, that energy is not going to bless you continuously or stay with you. So understand, whenever any beautiful thing happens in you, visualize that goddess is entered into your being. She is there sitting in your being. Ananda Devi, Daya Devi, Prema Devi, Jnana Devi, Kriya Shakti entered into you. Now, the yajnas, the worship, the veneration, which will make that Devi, make that deity happy, make that goddess happy, make that energies happy, is your action, the actions you perform to strengthen that quality in you. For example, when you feel the compassion and love, if you just keep quiet and continue to do your own actions, then you are not respecting, you are not doing the yajna to make that energy stay with you, to make that energy bless you. You acting, expressing your compassion through seva makes that energy bless you, and that energy starts staying in you. The deity starts staying in you. When you don't make that experience into action, they don't stay with you. Same way, when you are depressed, when a depression attacks you, when the depression enters your being, if you don't cooperate with it, what is your cooperation? If you lie down, if you don't do any action and just go on brooding over, contemplating, then you are doing the yajna to keep the depression continuously with you. Not doing anything creatively and lying down is the yajna for depression. Understand, every experience happens in you is one energy, one divine energy, one goddess, one deity. When the compassion enters, if you start acting based on that compassion, serving, sharing, immediately that compassion energy becomes strong experience in you. When you experience bliss, ecstasy through the knowledge from the master or kriya from the master, some blessing from the master, immediately start acting. Action. What should be the action? Sharing it with the world, sharing it with others. That is the yajna you do for me to permanently stay in you. Maximum 21 hours only any energy will give time for you. At this moment, if you have compassion, if you experience joy, if you experience gratitude towards the master, 21 hours is the maximum time it will stay with you. Within that 21 hours, if you act it, if you support it with action, then you are doing the yajna for the deity to stay in you. If you are not doing the action. First thing, you are a thief. You steal, you don't give it back. Second, simply that energy will disappear from you. That's it. Sincerity should become action immediately. But if you are a disciple and you want to be helped, stand in the platforms and start selling. I can say that is the way you will learn Bhagavad Gita. You will learn the honesty, integrity, and sincerity. I tell you, any emotion, any honesty, any sincerity which is not supported by the action within 21 hours will die down like a fire without firewood or any fuel. Not acting immediately and postponing is inviting the demon of depression or insincerity, ashraddha. But acting immediately on the honesty and sincerity is in doing the yajna for Shraddha Devi. Which one you want to do? You choose. Start the action to enrich your gratitude, your feeling connection. Go and stand in the Walmart stores outside, in the platforms, railway station platforms of India, or in the bus stands, in the bazaars, in the markets. Start selling Bhagavad Gita. You will see, you will learn Gita much better way. You will experience Gita in a deeper way. When the action happens, when the yajna happens, automatically the divine energies start staying in you. Planning for smart work and not doing hard work is the yajna you are doing for invoking the political devata in you. Go on planning for smart work. Never do even 1 inch. So understand, the divine energies that are cherished by you will grant you the experiences you long for. But surely the one who enjoys these experiences without fostering the divine energies by their actions is just a thief. If you have the feeling connection with the Master, then start doing the action, sacrifice, yajna for it, to keep that alive in you. What is the yajna? Giving that feeling connection to others also, sharing it with the world. When you do that, this experience becomes solid, stable experience in you.